The BMW M6 is a high-performance version of the BMW 6 Series designed by the motorsport division of BMW. The M6 was critically acclaimed throughout its lifespan for its elegant, aggressive shark nose styling, its luxury equipment, and performance. Today, I'm proud to present to you the 2015 BMW M6 Gran Coupe in Alpine White. The BMW M6 Gran Coupe is a super sleek 4-door coupe styling of the 6 Series Gran Coupe, dressed up nicely with aggressive M Division modification. The 2015 M6 Gran Coupe is perhaps the most attractive high-performance sedan to ever wear the M badge. The BMW M6 Gran Coupe was born from painstaking attention to both inner and outer beauty. Behind the sophisticated lines lies a V8 engine boasting an impressive 560 horsepower, just waiting to be put to work. It is also well suited for both performance and daily driving. The M6 features an extremely powerful engine, combined with a responsive 7-speed M double clutch transmission with launch control that can be personalized by the driver to match a wide range of preferences, from comfort to sport plus, and can operate in either automatic or sequential manual mode. In the manual mode, you shift like a Grand Prix driver by flicking the paddle shifter just behind the steering wheel without taking your hands off the wheel. Now looking at the front, the first thing you will notice is the lighting that accentuate the BMW M6. The full adaptive LED headlights provide all forward lighting functions, including low and high beams headlight with LED corona headlight rings, cornering light, daytime running light, as well as turn signal light. All lights are LED power and provide a wider, more powerful forward illumination for excellent visibility and reduced electrical power consumption. High-intensity retractable headlight washer are also integrated into the front bumper. Here is the iconic BMW double kidney grille with chrome insert and M6 badge to further differentiate the M6. Park assists are also built into the aerodynamic styling front bumper. Intermittent windshield wiper with adjustable speed. Cornering light and side camera are also integrated into the front bumper. This particular model comes with the upgraded 20-inch M light alloy wheels with 265/35 Michelin performance tire. Behind the wheel is the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs with the huge brake caliper painted in blue with M lettering on it for faster stopping. M6 fender with integrated turn signal indicator. Body color side view mirror. And here's a look at the carbon fiber roof made specifically for the M6. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and come staggered in width with 295/30 Michelin performance tires. The M6 also features M dynamic damper control with M chassis and suspension system, M drive and M driving dynamic control with dynamic stability control, including brake fade compensation, start-off assistant, brake drying, and brake standby feature with dynamic traction control. To the back, you quickly notice the full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light as well as turn signal light. LED tail lights illuminate faster and help alert driver behind quicker to prevent possible accident. At the bottom is the aerodynamic rear diffuser with carbon fiber insert in the middle that frame the quad round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And a closer look at the carbon fiber insert. Rear view camera is integrated behind the BMW badge. M6 logo on the trunk lid. And on top is the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the unlock, lock, trunk release, and panic buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Alpine White, featuring two-tone interior color with Sac-High orange and black leather interior with carbon fiber trims and aluminum trims all around. Very unique and catchy color combinations. Now we're going to get into the driver's seat, start it up and take it out for a short test drive. So with your foot on the brake, just push the start button located on the dash to start. Alright, so with a 4.4 liter BMW M twin power turbo V8 engine under the hood, I'm so excited to see how fast this BMW M6 is going to accelerate. And again, we're just going to take it out for a short test drive. Just going to drive around the block and see how it will perform. Love the sound from that V8 twin turbo engine. Very fast accelerations. Love the sound of that V8 engine. Alright, now let's put the vehicle back to its place and we're going to continue on to our review. Now let's give it a few revs and see how it sounds. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 BMW M6 Gran Coupe have to offer. Under the hood is a 4.4 liter BMW M twin power turbo V8 engine, 32 valve, combines an M twin scroll turbocharger with variable valve control, double valves and Valvetronic, and high precision direct injections, auto start and stop function, 7-speed M double clutch transmission with drive logic, and steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, pushing out 560 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4.1 second. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 14 city, 20 highway, and 16 combined. Now we're going to take a detailed look at the interior. Here's a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with orange in the middle, and carbon fiber trims. All 4 windows are fully automatic, and there's the side view mirror control. It also features folded option. And here you have the rear sunshade control. There's the storage compartment. All 4 doors does feature self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it'll close for you. M6 aluminum door sill. And there's the pedal. Here's a closer look at the seat. Very nice M Sport seat with black contrast stitching all around. Both front seats feature 20-way power front multi-contour seats with 4-way power lumbar support, articulated upper backrest, adjustable backrest with adjustable thigh support, passenger seat memory, and active head restraint with adjustable side support, include memory system for driver and front passenger seat, steering wheel, and outside mirror. Both front seats are perforated and does offer heated and ventilated options. The 3-spoke M Sport design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with M blue and red contrast stitching and M logo at the bottom with silver aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel really nice. It also features multi-function controls side by side for your convenience with controls for audio, voice command, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless for hand-free mobile phones, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel is the set of up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Behind the paddle shifter you have the windshield wiper control, and on the left you have the turn signal light control. And here's a look at the gauge. Steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. As well as heated steering wheel options. To the left, you have the driver's side air vent with carbon fiber trims around it. And here's the light control and the instrument light control. Down here you have the lane change assist, lane keeper assist, blind spot assist, and stuff like that. And here's the full color heads-up display that projects important information such as vehicle speed and check controlled warnings onto the windshield directly into your field of vision. For the first time, all heads-up display data is shown in full color, making information more precise and easier to process. The BMW M6 does offer seating for 5 passengers, although the rear seats does have the dual zone climate control in the middle, but the middle passenger just have to spread their legs. Alright, here's a look at the dash. Beautiful carbon fiber trims in the middle, and the 10.2-inch LCD display, dual air vent, multimedia controlled, dual zone climate controlled for the front, and here you have 2 cup holder for the front passenger, and beautiful carbon fiber trims in the center console as well. And here you have the gearbox. Just move it to the left and up for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the multimedia screen with guidance line for an easier backup. It will also move as you turn the wheel. And the side view mirror does also tilt down to help with your backup. Alright, and pull down for neutral, or over to the right to drive, or you can leave it there and move it up or down to get into manual mode. And that's when you can also use the up and down paddle shifter located behind the steering wheel to change gear. Pretty simple to use. Alright, so located around the gearbox you have your traction on and off buttons, the different driving mode, Sport, Sport Plus, and you can also change the mode for your steering wheel as well. Here's the park and brake. Pull up to activate, press down to release. And here's the iDrive controller. You can turn it around to move around screen, or you can even move it up, down, right or left, or press down to select. And there you have the different menus button: media, radio, telephones. Now this particular model also comes with the optional Bang & Olufsen surround sound system that features 16 perfectly integrated loudspeakers that deliver a rich sound to the cabin. The patent acoustic lens technology makes sure every passenger, wherever they are seated in the cabin, enjoy an equal distribution of brilliant sound. And in true BMW style, the surround sound system blends aesthetic and function for a truly alluring design. Very responsive system. Down here you have the ashtray and the cigarette lighter. Center storage compartment with the trunk lock button. Glove box compartment. Here is a closer look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material with AM lettering embossed on the backrest. On top you have the SOS button to use in case of an emergency, and there you have the light control. Rear view mirror with a universal 3 buttons garage door opener. Sun visor mirror. Alcantara headliner. Alright, sun visor mirror have the card holder. Now let's take a look at the rear seat with a Gran Coupe badging on the side of the door. Rear seats offer seating for 3. Like I mentioned before, the middle passenger does have to spread their legs if they want to sit there. And rear seats does offer folded options. Here's a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Beautiful carbon fiber trims as well. And you also have the sunshade controlled for the rear for both windows and the rear as well. Very nice feature. There's the Bang & Olufsen speaker. Storage compartment with the ashtray. Alright, now let's get into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But first let me show you the look to the front cabin. Front cabins are really elegant and classy. Here is a look to the top. It is all Alcantara headliner with a leather insert in the middle. And at the bottom you have the dual zone climate control for the rear passenger. Now rear seats does offer 3-stage heated seat as well. It is really comfortable sitting in the back. Rear seats are well padded. And leg rooms, I'm about 5'8" and still have plenty of leg rooms left. So headroom for me is not a problem, but for a taller individual you might run into a little problem with your headrooms. But I mean, so far I'm 5'8", so for anybody which is about 6 or 6 under will be fine in the back. And here's the look to the back. On top you have the light control, and you can move it to different angles as well. Center armrest with a storage compartment and 2 cup holder. And you can also open this up to get access into the trunk. Now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. Okay, the trunk in the BMW M6 Gran Coupe offer a pretty decent amount of cargo space, enough space for your grocery and luggage. But keep in mind that rear seats does fold down completely if you need to fold it down for extra cargo space. And located on the side you have the lever that you can fold down both rear seats. Alright, so that is how it looks. There you have the net, and down here you have your tools and your battery. Alright, so moving to the passenger side, you have the gas cap. So with the door open, you can push it in to open the gas cap. It does require premium unleaded fuel only, and it holds approximately 21.1 gallons of fuel, which is a pretty big tank. Overall, the BMW M6 Gran Coupe interior space is very luxurious. The rear space does offer decent legroom. However, headroom could be a problem for a taller than average passenger because of its coupe-like body styling with a sloped roofline. But it does offer plenty of features such as rear sunshade for all of its rear windows, plus a separate dual-zone climate control for the rear passenger as well. The front cabin is very classy and elegant, with great upholstery material and nicely carbon fiber trims and aluminum trims all around. The dash features a 10.2-inch LCD screen, plus front seating offer 20-way multi-contour seats, which will make you feel really comfortable. Now let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Alright, the front offers plenty of space. Front passenger seats are really comfortable as well. Very nice dash. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 BMW M6 Gran Coupe. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.